everyone! Hi, Charlie! Today, we're going on a big adventure!
Wow, cool!
I have my magic mystery backpack. Let's pull out a clue to see where we'll go first. Are you ready? Wow! It's a cow! Where do you think we're going?
Oh, I know! We're going to a farm!
A farm? I have an idea. Let's take a train to get there.
Yay! I love trains! Chugga, chugga, chugga! Choo, choo!
Are you ready? Let's go!
The chicken on the train goes cluck, 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 cluck. The chicken on the train goes cluck, 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 all through the farm. Chugga, 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 choo, choo, choo. Chugga, 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 choo, choo, choo. Oh yeah. The cow on the train goes moo, 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 moo. The cow on the train goes moo, 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 all through the farm. Chugga, 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 choo, choo, choo. Chugga, 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 choo, choo, choo. Oh yeah. The sheep on the train goes ba, 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 ba. The sheep on the train goes ba, 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 all through the farm. Chugga, 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 choo, choo, choo. Chugga, 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 choo, choo, choo. Oh yeah. The pig on the train goes oink, 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 oink. The pig on the train goes oink, 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 all through the farm. Chugga, 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 choo, choo, choo. Chugga, 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 choo, choo, choo. Oh yeah. The horse on the train goes neigh, 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 neigh. The horse on the train goes neigh, 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 all through the farm. Chugga, 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 choo, choo, choo. Chugga, 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 choo, choo, choo. Oh yeah. The rooster on the train goes cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. The rooster on the train goes cock-a-doodle-doo, all through the farm. Chugga, 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 choo, choo, choo. Chugga, 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 choo, choo, choo. Oh yeah.
Something else you might see on a farm is a tractor. Tractors help the farmers do all sorts of jobs around the farm, like plowing, planting, and harvesting. Let's learn about some animals that you might see on a farm. The first animal is a It's a
It's
cow.
a cow. Moo.
Moo. Cows say moo. Can you say moo like a cow?
Moo.
Yeah. Moo. Moo. Cows eat grass. A baby cow is called a calf. Do you like cows? Another animal you might see on a farm is a duck. Quack, quack.
Duck.
A duck.
Quack, quack.
Yeah, ducks say quack, quack, quack. Can you say quack, quack like a duck? A duck eats plants that grow in the water, and it can also eat grains like corn.
Ooh, I like corn.
A baby duck is called a, do you know?
Duckling.
A duckling. Good job. Another animal you might see on a farm is, I'll give you a clue, it's pink.
Oink, oink, oink.
Yeah, it's a pig.
Yeah.
Pigs say oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Can you say oink, oink like a pig? Oink, oink, oink. Good job. Pigs eat all sorts of things. They eat fruits and vegetables, grains, and even insects.
Yum.
A baby pig is called a piglet. Oink, oink, oink.
Oink, oink.
Another animal you might see on a farm is called a chicken.
Chicken.
Do you know what a chicken says, Charlie?
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Yeah, cluck, cluck, cluck. Can you cluck like a chicken? You can flap your wings too. Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Good job. A baby chicken is called a chick. Do you know what a little chick says? Beep, beep, beep.
Beep, beep,
Yeah.
beep.
Good job. Can you peep like a little chick? Beep, beep, beep. Good job. Chickens eat grains and they scratch on the ground for their food, and they like to eat insects too. Another really cute, soft, fluffy animal you might see on a farm is a sheep. What does a sheep say?
Bah.
Yeah. Ba, ba. Yeah. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Lambs like to jump and play. They're so cute. Sheep love to eat grass in a field. Let's pretend to eat grass like a sheep. Good job.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Hi, everyone. Are you ready to go to the next place in our big adventure? Let's pull out another clue from our magical mystery backpack and see where we're gonna go next. Are you ready? Wow! It's a fire truck! Wee-oo, wee-oo! Where do you think we might go where we'll see a fire truck? I think we're going to a city. Are you ready? Let's go! I have an idea. Let's take a car to get to the city. Are you ready? Whoa! I'm in a car. Let's drive the car to the city. Wow! Look at all the tall buildings. Lots of people live and work in these buildings. We're here. Let's go to a park. Parks are beautiful places with nature in the middle of a city. People go to parks to play and be outside in nature. At nighttime, cities are so beautiful. The lights come on and everything sparkles. Have you been to a city? Maybe you live in a city. If you go to a city, you'll probably see all kinds of different vehicles. Some of these might be a garbage truck. Garbage trucks collect garbage from all the people that live there. You probably have one that comes down your street too. Another vehicle you might see in a city is a bus. Buses carry lots of people from one place to another. Have you been on a bus? One of my favorite vehicles that you see in a city is a fire truck. Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Fire trucks are amazing vehicles that firefighters use to help put out fires. Firefighters are so brave, and they help a lot of people. Fire trucks can go really fast. Whoosh! Whoosh! And you might see them going slow. 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 I love fire trucks.
Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Ding, 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 ding. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Ding, 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 ding. Hurry, hurry, climb the ladder. Hurry, hurry, climb the ladder. Hurry, hurry, climb the ladder. Ding, 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 ding. Hurry, hurry, squirt the water. Hurry, hurry, squirt the water. Hurry, hurry, squirt the water. Ding, 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 ding. Slowly, slowly, back to the station. Slowly, slowly, back to the station. Slowly, slowly, back to the station. Ding, 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 ding.
Red means stop. Yellow means slow. Green means go. Go, 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 go. Red means stop. Yellow means slow. Green means go, 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 go. Whew, so fast. Go, 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 stop. Go, 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 stop. Go, 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 go.
I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to oat, oat, oat opals and bananas. I like to oat, oat, oat opals and bananas. I like to oot, oot, oot opals and bananas. I like to oot, oot, oot opals and bananas. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas. I like to eat, eat, eat apples and bananas.
Hi, everyone. Are you ready to go on the next part of our big adventure? Let's reach into our magical mystery backpack and pull out a clue to see where we'll go next. Let's see. I see a shark. There's more in here. And a turtle. And whoa! A boat. Where do you think we're gonna go? I think I have an idea. To the ocean. Are you ready? All right, let's go. Let's take a boat. Have you been on a boat? There are so many different kinds of boats. There's big boats like cruise ships and cargo ships that carry lots of people and things. There's boats like a sailboat that's powered by the wind. And there's small boats like a rowboat that are just for fun. Will you get on a boat with me?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Life is but a dream.
That water looks so nice. Let's get out of the boat and jump in and go for a swim. On the count of 3, let's jump in. 1, 2, 3, jump! Wow! I love being underwater. The ocean is so beautiful. Are you swimming? Swim in the ocean with me. Oh, look. I see an ocean animal. It's an octopus. Octopus have 8 legs. There's another animal. Do you see it? It's a whale. The whale's the biggest animal in the world. There's a seahorse and a starfish. Wow! I have an idea. Let's look for buried treasure. Okay, swim with me. Let's swim faster. Do you see any buried treasure? Let's go this way. Maybe there's some buried treasure under that rock. Let's look. Yay! We found buried treasure! This has been such a fun ocean adventure. Let's swim back to the surface. Swimming! Wow, what a beautiful day!
One little fishy swimming in the sea. Along came another one, and then there were 2. 2 little fishies swimming in the sea. Along came another one, and then there were 3. 3 little fishies swimming in the sea. Along came another one, and then there were 4. 4 little fishies swimming in the sea. Along came another one, and then there were 5. Swimming, swimming, swimming in the sea. The big old shark will never catch me. 5 little fishies swimming in the sea. Along came another one, and then there were 6. 6 little fishies swimming in the sea. Along came another one, and then there were 7. 7 little fishies swimming in the sea. Along came another one, and then there were 8. 8 little fishies swimming in the sea. Along came another one, and then there were 9. 9 little fishies swimming in the sea. Along came another one, and then there were 10. Swimming, swimming, swimming in the sea. The big old shark will never catch me. Swimming, swimming, swimming in the sea. The big old shark will never catch me.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Charlie.
Hi!
Are you ready to go on the next part of our big adventure?
Yeah!
Let's take another look in our magical mystery backpack and see if there's a clue about where we're gonna go next. Let's reach in. Whoa!
Whoa! A lion!
A lion! Rawr!
Roar!
Where do you think we might be going?
I don't know.
I wonder where we might see a lion. Do you think we might be going on a safari?
Yeah!
But how are we gonna get there? Let's see if the backpack has another clue about how we'll get to our safari. Can you help me reach in? 1, 2, 3. Wow!
Airplane!
An airplane! Maybe we're taking an airplane to get to our safari. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's go! We're taking an airplane today to get to our safari. Have you ever been on an airplane? Airplanes are amazing vehicles. This is a really big passenger airplane. It can carry hundreds of people. The pilots sit in the front and fly the airplane. The flight attendants work in the back and help the passengers. Airplanes, no matter what size, have wings and engines, and they fly through the sky. Airplanes go really fast and can get you to places really far away. Let's go to an airport and get on an airplane so we can go on our safari. Let's go! Wow! We're in the clouds. I love flying in an airplane.
I'm just reading a magazine to pass the time. I'm really excited about the safari.
I can't wait to get there.
Wow, we're really high up.
We sure are. I think we're about to arrive. Wow! Look! It's a zebra! Wow! I love its stripes.
I see it. Look at all of them.
Wow! Look! I see a lion!
Whoa!
Wow, it's big!
Africa's amazing.
I see a hippo!
Hi, Hippo.
It has huge teeth! Do you see that cheetah?
I think I see a bird.
Oh wow, what kind of bird?
Like a parrot with really colorful feathers.
Beautiful, oh I see it. Wow.
Here,
Oh well, look Charlie.
do you see it, Charlie?
Wow,
Safaris are very fun.
this is amazing. Look, an elephant. Wow, it's huge.
Wow.
Elephants are the biggest land animal. That's amazing. I love this safari. Do you know where else you can see all these animals? At the zoo.
At the zoo.
Let's go to the zoo.
Let's go to the zoo and stop
elephants do. Let's go to the zoo and stomp like the elephants do. Stomp, 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 stomp. Let's go to the zoo and jump like the kangaroos do. Let's go to the zoo and jump like the kangaroos do. Jump, 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 jump. Let's go to the zoo and swim like the penguins do. Let's go to the zoo and swim like the penguins do. Swim, 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 swim. Let's go to the zoo and roar like the lions do. Let's go to the zoo and roar like the lions do. Roar, 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 roar. Let's go to the zoo and chomp like the crocodiles do. Let's go to the zoo and chomp like the crocodiles do. Chomp, 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 chomp.
Hi, everyone! We had so much fun going on a big adventure with you today.
Yeah!
Before we go, let's say a few positive affirmations about ourselves and others. Repeat after me. I am smart and strong and brave.
I am smart and strong and brave.
I can do anything I set my mind to.
I can do anything I set my mind to.
I am loved.
I am loved.
Yay! Thanks, everyone. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.